Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In today's video, we are going to install Police Wraith ARS script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the script which you are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. Once you reach here, you have to scroll down over here. Now you have to click over here. Now in here, you have to click over here and download the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into a FiveM resource folder, so I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. Now open the file, go to config.lua. In here, we can configure everything related to the script. The default keybind of the remote control is F5, you can configure the keybind from here, and rest of the keybind you can configure from here, and also we can configure other functions from here. So yes guys, that's it for the config part. Now we have to copy the name of the script. Now open the server.cfg and ensure it over here. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's spawn a police vehicle. So I'll be spawning police tree. Now to open the radar menu, we have to press F5. As you can see, we get a remote over here. Now click on toggle display. Here we will get a speed reader display. To turn it on, we have to press the power button. Now we have to click on up, down, left and right. And our system is ready now. Now let's toggle the plate reader as well. We just need to click over here. Then click on toggle display. We can also adjust the position of the reader. So I'll be adjusting it over here. By clicking on the UI setting, you can customize the size of your UI. So you can do it from here. After that, click on close. Now press escape. So as you can see over here, our plate reader and our speed reader is working properly. As you can see over here, the plate reader is properly reading every number plate of the vehicle as well as with the speed radar. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.